This is the third video in the series of higher difficulty 5th grade math problems, presenting one problem from the Mathematical Gazette. Problem 4. Michael travels from town A to town B driving a car with the average speed of 60 kilometers per hour, leaving at 8 o'clock. Daniel also travels from town A to town B on a motorcycle on the same road with an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour, leaving at 9 o'clock. At what distance from town A Daniel catches up with Michael? Solution. We annotate the time Michael leaves town A with T01, which is equal to 8 hours. We annotate Michael's speed with V1, which is 60 kilometers per hour, and we annotate Michael's initial position with X01, which is equal to 0. We also annotate Daniel's leaving time from town A with T02, which is equal to 9 hours. We annotate Daniel's speed with V2, which is equal to 90 kilometers per hour, and Daniel's initial position with X02, which is equal to 0. We apply the law of rectilinear motion with constant velocity and obtain the equations of Michael's and Daniel's positions. The equation of Michael's position is given by x1 equals to x01 plus v1 times t1 minus t01, and Daniel's position is given by the equation x2 equals x02 plus v2 times t2 minus t02. The condition of meeting is x1 equals x2 and t1 equals t2 equals t. We substitute x01 and x02 in the two equations with 0, and the equations become x1 equals v1 times t minus t01 and x2 equals v2 times t minus t02. We substitute these into the condition of meeting x1 equals x2, so v1 times t minus t01 equals v2 times t minus t02, and now we substitute the values of the variables we know. So 60 times t minus 8 equals 90 times t minus 9. And by doing the calculations, we obtain that t equals 11 hours. Now, by substituting the values we know, v1, v2, v01, v02 in the laws of motion, and the value of t we found, we obtain that x1 equals 60 times 11 minus 8, which is equal to 60 times 3, which is equal to 180 kilometers. And x2 equals 90 times 11 minus 9, which is 90 times 2, which is also equal to 180 kilometers. So Daniel catches up with Michael at 180 kilometers from town A. This was the third video in the series of higher difficulty 5th grade math problems. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.